Welcome to the shop, everyone. Today we'll be doing a repair on a Holley HP 1000 CFM double pumper carburetor. So I had bought the carburetor new and I had disassembled it to do a detailed job on it. So I had took the Venturas out and I detailed the Venturas, trying to pick up a stronger signal for them. Also, I had radiused the entrance ways coming into the carburetor, sanded off any kind of flashing marks and imperfections, and so I was reassembling it, and as I was reassembling, just about done, and I put the primary squirter on and went to tighten it down. It just, had that feeling where it, about the time it got tight, it went loose, and I knew it had stripped the squirter threads out. So initially I was thinking if I drilled that out and put a Helicoil in there, it would block off those two fuel slots on each side, what the red arrows are pointing to. But the 50cc pump squirter on the back, the screw that holds it down, actually is hollow in the center and allows fuel to come up through the center of that screw. So that's what I'll end up doing, is I'll Helicoil it and then I'll use one of those 50cc squirter screws on the primary side of the carburetor. So here I'm disassembling the carburetor, getting the fuel bowls off, taking the base plate off, getting it all ready to go on the Bridgeport, and setting it on the Bridgeport using two parallels to line it up, keep it good and square, so when I drill it'll be a nice square straight hole. Here I'm using, I guess you call it like an edge finder to find the center of the hole. It has a little ball on the end of it, and then as you spin it and pull it down in the hole, as it pushes off to the side, it's not centered, so you'll keep touching off and moving the Y and X axis back and forth till it's perfectly lined up. Now I'm getting ready to drill the hole. I'm setting the depth so it doesn't drill too far. It looks like 350 thousandths to me. So now we're drilling the hole for the Helicoil to go into. Blowing everything out real nice. Now I have the tap in the machine. I'm actually going to use my hand to run the tap in at first. Put a little lubricant on there, turn it with my hand. Once it started good, I'll probably finish it up with a tap handle. Bottom's out. Alright, so the threads are in there. Give you guys a look at it. Threads are looking nice. And you see those channels are almost completely covered up by those threads. So here I'm starting the Helicoil in. I used red Loctite to lock it in place. There's a good look at it. Now I'm starting to reassemble the carburetor after the repair. Putting the base plate on. Setting the metering blocks on and the fuel bowls. And I was very glad I was able to save this carburetor body, because I had put a good bit of work in it, detailing everything out, all the modifications to the Venturas I had done. And I really enjoy detailing stuff like that, so it's nice doing the work, looking at your work, and then actually putting on the car or engine you have and seeing how it performs. So I was very, very pleased this worked out. And if you guys enjoyed the video, hit me with a like, ring the bell, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys all on the next project. Hey, thanks so much.